Zhejiang Hongchuan Power Technology Company Limited was established in 2014. It is a large enterprise group specializing in the manufacturing and export of various oil-free air compressors and vacuum pumps. Our products mainly serve industries such as medical equipment, dental equipment, automation equipment, CNC vacuum bed, vacuum lifter equipment, beauty equipment, vacuum packaging equipment, new energy vehicles, solar systems, and ponderation systems. We focus on independent research and development of technological innovation. Most of our products come with private molds. From structural design, appearance design, mold development, testing, to arranging for shipment, all are completed by our team. We offer on-stop service. Our products focus on quality, so our main markets are concentrated in Europe, America, the Middle East, and Asian countries. The European and American markets account for 60% of the company's sales. We guarantee a 5 minutes response to all messages and a 24 hours rapid quotation. Solving problems for customers and meeting customer needs is our eternal pursuit. Our company's products are sold worldwide. For all our products, we have a very strict inspection process, including incoming material inspection, random inspection during the production process, and full process inspection of finished products. Therefore, we can ensure good quality. Most of our products come with a quality guarantee of 2 to 5 years. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether you are choosing current products from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can discuss your procurement requirements with our professional customer service center. We look forward to cooperating with you.